Hello friends, welcome to Apple Coder. In the series of videos, you will learn about Xcode, iOS, Objective-C, Swift, and what's changed in latest iOS releases. Today, we are going to learn about how to launch Xcode and get ready to build an app. The first thing is to have Xcode installed on your computer. You can go to the Mac App Store and install Xcode from there. Check out the links in the description on how to go to the Mac App Store and install Xcode. Okay, once you have installed Xcode, now we can begin the first step in the app creation process. There are multiple ways to create an app, and today we will look at one specific way. Okay, so now you go and tap on the Xcode icon. First, we'll create a workspace and then create a project within the workspace. We will look at the difference between a project and a workspace in a separate video. Finishes launching, you go to File and tap on New and you create a workspace. So now you create a name for your workspace. Let's call it as my first project. So now you have successfully created a workspace. The next step is to create a project. So now you tap on File, New, and then you create a project. And so here there are multiple options here. You can create a tabbed application or you can create a page-based and a couple of others. So today we will look at a single view application. So you tap on the single view application and then tap on Next and then you create a product. Let's call it as sample. So here you can select the language and here you can select the devices, and you can also choose to include unit tests and UI tests. So it will automatically create those structures for you. And so in the languages, I'm choosing Swift and then I choose Next. So now it will go and create a project on my workspace. So now let's look at the file structure. So we have two storyboard files here. One of them is the launch screen.storyboard. If you double tap on it, it'll open the launch screen.storyboard file. So this is the screen that is first seen by the user. You can host static content in this page, some things like logo or some welcome message to the app. And apart from it, there's another storyboard file, which is the main storyboard file. So this main storyboard file hosts your app's logic, and this is the first screen which the user will be able to interact with. So this will contain things like interactions or like showing your content on the app, etc. So apart from it, there are also a couple of other files that were created here, which is the viewcontroller.swift, and then there's an appdelegate.swift file. So if you tap on the viewcontroller.swift file, so this is a dummy view controller for now. It contains some sample code, and then here the appdelegate.file contains a template file where you can configure how you want your app to respond during the launch flow. And you can also see here that there is test framework that's created here as well, so which contains some sample templates where you can start adding new test cases. And that covers it for the day. So now you have learned how to download Xcode, how to create a Xcode workspace, how to create a project within the workspace, and you have also learned the difference between the launch screen and the main storyboard files. So after that, you just have to tap on the run button, and this will compile your app and let it run on a simulator. So now it has launched the simulator. It's booting the simulator now, and you can resize your simulator accordingly. Yeah, so now you can see that your workspace, your project has launched on the simulator, and you can see that it shows a black white screen. It's because it's just plain and it doesn't have any features right now, so it shows a white screen. And so now you can know that your project is launched successfully without any errors. So we will look into how to use other components to bring an app to life in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.